Hello guys, this is Jan from India and today I want to tell you all about the new training program called How to Make Money with No Startup Cost. In today's date, money is unfortunately an issue that is holding people back from actually getting started in a new business. In this training program, there are 38 step-by-step special video series which will show you how to get started, how to promote your website, softwares and services you need for them, and how to get traffic. And for new buyers, it's a complete helpful guide which starts with zero money capital. Now it's your time. It does not matter if you have your own product or own website. Even if you are an absolute beginner, you can succeed with this incredible simple and proven method.